back to my channel. In today's video I am going to review Mars Cosmetics. I created this look inspired by Deepika Padukone. I think she was giving an interview for her upcoming video Gehraiya, and I love this look because Valentine's Day is coming and it is something to do with some glam, gold and also red dress. So I have used all the products from Mars Cosmetics. I have been trying this product, and I wanted to give you guys a good review of this product. So I'm going to talk about all these products, how it feels and all, and also I'm going to show you how I created this look. And also I have shared you guys how to hack to do your brows. If you have an eyeshadow palette and a lip palette, how to use this too. So if you guys are new to my channel, my name is Payel. Please subscribe to my channel. I make beauty content videos, so please hit on the subscribe button and then press on the notification bell, so every time I upload video you guys are going to notified. So without further ado, let's get started. Now we are going to the products. The first product I'm going to use is this one. This is the Mars Cosmetics Take a Glow Illuminating Primer, and it is in the shade Moon Glow. It has 30 ml of the product. The price of the product is $229. It is a beautiful pump in it. Packaging looks good, so it gives a beautiful glow to the skin. So I'm going to try it for my face. Just take a pump of it. Next, I did not get a foundation. Foundations were not there for my shade, but I got a BB cream. This is the Mars BB cream, Skin Perfection Color Correcting, and I got the shade 10. The packaging did not have the name, so I took the sticker from that cover of the foundation. So I'm going to apply it. It oxidizes a lot, so let me show you. This looks quite good for me, and the applicator is also very good. I'm going to apply it to the half of my face. It does not feel like a BB cream, it feels like a foundation because I think it has a very good coverage. I'm going to take this beauty blender and blend. Next I'm going for a concealer. Now the concealer is slightly lighter. This is the Mars Seal the Deal concealer in the shade Pure Beige. It looks like the Elegant Pro concealer, and it looks a little bit lighter, but yeah, it's fine because the foundation is a little bit darker than my skin tone, but so I think this shade is fine for me. But yeah, it feels a little bit thick. I think it feels a little bit thicker than the Elegant Pro concealer. Elegant Pro concealer is very lightweight. Next I'm going to take this Mars Infinity Lip Palette. It's a beautiful lip palette and it is in the shade 01. The price of the product is $299. It contains 36 grams. So this is a very good lip palette, and it has a spoolie kind of thing, an applicator, and the product is very pigmented. That is what I liked about this palette. A lot of lip palettes, they are not pigmented, but this one is very pigmented. I'm going to you can use it multi-purpose. I use lipsticks for contouring my face, so I'm going to use this palette because this is a lipstick palette only. I think I'm going to take this shade. This is more cool tone. Yeah, the quality of the product is very good. I'm going to blend it using my beauty blender. Now I want to set my face. I'm going to use this loose powder. This is Mars Trend Setting Powder. It is in the shade Banana. It contains 8 grams of the product and the price of the product is 249. It is similar to any other loose powder. You have got a sponge also. I'm not going to use it. So none of the products I don't think have any smell. Even the banana powder, concealer, anything does not have a smell. That is what I like about Mars. Like a lot of affordable brands, they have too much of strong smell, and I don't like too much of strong smell. Next, I'm going to fill in my brows. For filling my brows, I'm going to use this palette. This is from Mars. This is the Mars Fantasy 15 Colors eyeshadow. It is in the shade 02. The eyeshadow palette is very pigmented. The eyeshadows are very pigmented. It blends very nicely. Similar to high-end products, it is blending very smoothly. So I'm going to fill in my brows this shade. I already have used this palette and this shade is reddish. So to fix it, I'm going to use a mixture of this palette and the lip palette. In the lip palette, you have this black shadow. I'm going to take a little bit of that in the back of my hand, like this. So it's a hack I'm doing, and then I'm going to take my spoolie, the brush, and I'm going to spread the product. The lip product is very creamy. Next, I'm going to pick up little bit of this powder. It is very powdery, and I'm going to mix this too. And this way I'm going to have a very, you can see, cool tone gray brow product. So this is a good hack. So you can see the shade is perfect for me. So I'm going to quickly fill in my brows using this. Next, I'm going to take the palette. I'm going to take this lighter shade first and set my brow. That is more bronzy orange shade, and I'm going to apply it on my crease. Like this. It's a very beautiful bronzy shade. I'm going to take it for my nose contour. Next, I'm going to take this flat brush and I'm going to take this shade and fill in my eyelid, and I'm just going to tap it. So I'm going to use this Nike Bold Kajal and some lashes. This is from Pack 1072. I don't have all these products from Mars Cosmetics, so I'm going to quickly fill in this and get back to you. Next, I've removed the baking. I think, yeah, the powder is very finely melted. It is very good. Next, I'm going to use the same palette because the products are a little bit powdery. You can use it as bronzer also. This shade I'm going to use to bronze my face. So I'm going to take this kind of brush. This is from stippling brush from Nike Cosmetics. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to slightly bronze my face. I'm going to take little bit of this product in this one and use it as my blush. Alright. Next, I'm going to set my face. I don't have a setting spray from Mars Cosmetics. They have, I think, a setting spray, but I'm going to use this one from Swiss Beauty. This is a makeup fixer. Alright, now I'm going to use the highlighter. I'm going to take this shade as highlighter. It's a very beautiful shade. Next, I think I'm almost done. I'm going to use this lip palette and I'm going to take this darker shade from this, and this much is enough because the palette is so, the colors are very pigmented. can take a little bit of the black. This is not too much matte and too much dry. It is perfect actually. So this is the finished look. I love everything about Mars Cosmetics. Like whatever products that I have got, these are very good. This eyeshadow palette and lip palette, I think you guys should try it. It is very good product and affordable also, under 300, and they are very good quality. The concealer and the BB cream, I think it's okay. These are like you can if you want something, you don't have any product, then you can buy this. But yeah, if you have something else, then I think this is not so good product. But yeah, the price of the products are so less, so I don't think you get something in this price so good quality. So yeah, and also the packaging of the product is also good. Like a lot of affordable products, they don't have very good packaging, but this is very good packaging. Even this illuminator also is very good. It is not exactly like the MAC strobing cream, but yeah, it's a good strobing cream. It is a little bit thick, I think, and it is also a little bit moisturizing. But the MAC one is more lightweight and penetrates the skin more faster. But yeah, it feels a little bit thick. And this powder is very good. I love this powder. It feels like a high-end powder only, and also it has brightened my face. And everything it has done, like whatever a powder is supposed to do. But yeah, these two palettes I would definitely tell you to guys buy it and try it. The lip shades, so many lip shades. I did not try this of the nude shades. The nude shades look so good, so beautiful, and also you can mix and match. I'm going to make a video with all this lip shade, because yeah, they are very pigmented and colors are very good. I have used a couple of the shades, and yeah, I can say it is very good. So I really like these products. I would recommend you guys to buy it. I got all these products from Amazon, so I will definitely tell you to buy these products, at least this eyeshadow and the lip palette. So yeah, so everything is good about this video. That's all for today's video. If you like this video, please hit on the like button. Thank you so much for watching this video. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, bye.